In the first reading we heard Moses was 120 years old, and now he goes to the Mount Nebo, and from there Lord God showed him the promised land which he will give to the people of Israel. Moses was punished by God because when the people of Israel were in the wilderness and they were grumbling against Moses because there was no water for them to drink, Lord God told Moses, take your brother Aaron and take your stick and strike that rock. Moses took his brother Aaron, took his stick, he struck once. Then he doubted, will the water will come from this rock? He struck it second time. And God told him, Moses, I told you to strike once. You did not obey me. You doubted my power. Therefore, I will punish you. You will not enter the promised land. And Moses accepted that because he knew that he made a mistake. But God was very gracious. Though Moses did not enter the promised land, Israel, therefore God allowed him to see the promised land from Mount Nebo.